What can I do to challenge you and bring you to your edge so that you have peak learning, practice, and experience with yourself, and you can become the best artist you can in this time we have together? I would love you to walk out of here and feel like, I could get paid to perform. It doesn't really actually take very much to do a performance. People don't think that that's true. You just have to have an attitude and be able to get through a set. So not tangle. You want to be able to like have continuity throughout a set. So like the whole song. You want to be able to dance to a whole song. 3 or more adjectives to describe how you want to be seen as a performer. You may not have that knowledge yet, but that's the point of the exercise, is to get you thinking about it so that as you are practicing, you can imagine yourself in the position of, what do I want to be putting out there? How do I want this to look? Because what you'll notice in the beginner dance material, there's some theory about the 7-layer dip in there. And the 7-layer dip is about how you stylize it. So it's not just what you do, it's how you make it look. I'm inviting you to step into what is your style, and you can even start with a performer name. My performer name is Glitter Girl, and I like to be glittery and sparkle and be light and like something you're not even sure you saw because it's so magical. Like that to me is the essence of glitter, and I sort of feel like I want that to be the essence of what I'm putting out there when I'm performing. So having a character name can also give you a place in which you can step into that character and attach to that character personality traits or costume identities or ways of being or ways of moving or things that are exciting to that character, which can be really useful to dissociate yourself from if you want to have an identity that allows you to play with something you wouldn't normally feel comfortable playing with.